This is Xiaomi 13, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can check your data usage on this device. So to begin with, you will need to launch Settings, onwards enter the Connection and Sharing category. In here, open the data usage page, and at the following data usage section, you can see the general amount of mobile data used, as well as the statistics about how much each individual app used how much of cellular data. If you would like to change to modify or change the SIM card that you are seeing the data usage for, just switch your SIM card preferences for mobile data. On the other hand, if you would like to see the Wi-Fi usage, just tap at this icon over here and open the Wi-Fi data usage page. As you can see, the statistics is right over here. Alrighty, so that would be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.